Hi everyone, David here from Easy Marketing Gold, and I'm here to show you a little bit about a new piece of software called AI Lead Magnet Builder. And I was lucky enough to get an early bird view into it, being a member or a VIP member I should say of cyberbuddies.net. So, AI Lead Magnet Builder, great piece of kit. I'll be quite honest with you, it just cuts down the time like you wouldn't believe. So, what will it do for you? Well, as you can see there, it creates ebooks, okay, at a rapid rate and uses AI technology to write those ebooks for you, to be honest with you. So, as you can see here, I had a little test run a few days ago, and it created an ebook all about on-page SEO. Okay, and if I click on this on-page SEO tab here, you can actually see the ebook in its editorial mode. Okay, and you can edit all of this. Okay, and you can see here this was 8,193 words in total. Okay, and there was plenty about on-page SEO in there to satisfy my needs and create an ebook so that I could use it as a lead magnet to get more SEO clients, obviously. Okay, so it's so easy to use. It's incredible. Anybody could use this to create an ebook in minutes. Okay, just minutes. That's all it takes for this AI builder to bring back all the information that you need. If I take you, let's go and show you very quickly how easy it is. Okay, there's so little you have to tell it just to get it going. Okay, so it asks for a project name. You use a project name. You can use anything. I did on-page SEO, obviously. So for this one, let's put off-page SEO as the project name. Categories, you can add your own categories in here. Okay, my category is SEO at the moment, but you can add any category you want in it. Simple. Number of chapters you want. I believe for the on-page SEO I used 8 chapters, so let's use 8 or 9 chapters. Let's use 8 chapters, and it'll ask you for max word per chapter. Simple. Book topic, all right, this is where it gets really clever. Okay, and I'll be honest with you, I highly recommend it. Okay, so let's put off-page SEO in here as a book title. Target audience would be new SEO customers. Let's put it like that. Okay, we'll just put something very simple like that, and then you can select what writing tone you want. All pretty straightforward. Let's make the off-page one and technical one. Okay, and you just click next. Okay, now the AI goes out very quickly and comes back right with other titles for you. That's the first thing we'll do. Can you see all these titles here? Okay, and you can pick which one you think would be the best one for you to use. I'd probably use something like this: off-page blueprint, proven method to outranking your competitors. Okay, and you can just click on next, and away it goes and generates an outline. Doesn't take very long at all. Okay, and it'll come up with headings for the chapters and descriptions for the chapters. But to be honest with you, there is a tutorial out there. I would suggest that you watch the tutorial for now, but I can't speak highly enough, okay, of this AI lead magnet. And there you go, that's what it comes up with. Chapter 1, understanding off-page SEO, conducting competitor analysis, building high-quality backlinks, content marketing and guest blogging, social media optimization, online repetition management. It just goes on and on. Okay, and you can actually change these if you want to as well. All right, to make it even more concise. Okay, before you go and generate your ebook. I can't speak highly enough for it. I highly recommend it. It's a great piece of kit. easy to use. Is there anything that can be improved in it? Not really, to be honest with you. I can't, it's too easy. Okay, it's too easy to use. Generates these ebooks. You can use it as a leads magnet in no time at all. Comes with a massive thumbs up from me. Okay, go ahead, grab it if you can. I believe it's been offered at the moment as a free, believe it or not, free piece of software. If you don't get it, you're going to miss out. I'll leave you with that for now. See you later.